Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor baman kasngi. Kaseng Congress hajula Meghalaya ka MPCC ka Pynrem juri ki jingle jubor ki bapin khang ha ki rungai Khristan ringkat ki jingpin julori ki yang mani bar ki tiar ki tar bakhoj bat bakentang. Uba Roni Vilingdo baru ba GA lingi ki penskau hakilat pathai khobor hasilong war haba kesnam thamai arhajar arplai kadang sedang kini ki kam jonga jingshun kila jia ha ki jaka badon ha ke district Narayanpur jonga jilla Chhattisgarh. Uba GA lingdo bat uba RV lingdo uyathu kumno ki patba ke jilla ki sngo ye ke jing penjat penjulor ye ki tiar yeng mani. Ki kenhon bat balang Khristan bat ki wede ki Ritpaid ha ki baula penpau ba ke seng BJP ka basen syar ha sarkar pedeng ka kwa ban weng no ya ke jing sngotho jong ka jing syap ting na ke jing mut jing perkhat jong ki kenhon Ritpaid ha ka ba ki Khristan ki long ka wei ka ba kum kata penban ki jing jia ki bla jia ka jila Chhattisgarh ke pen ida kumwei pat kala benyau kita ki nong yalam Kongres ki penpau ba ka jingkermen ba ki tu ki ba syong ha ki syuki jong ka kerdan bat kabor kenjen dala kran persha ye ki tu ki briu bat ki kenhon ki ba lehbeiñ le kho persha ye ki Khristan bat ki briu ki ba pendon kam yala ka hok shimen ban jit hi yala ka jingej bat kanyam kala ong ka jing snap jar ka ba sawa jam jong mentri rong ba do karvi persha ye ki tu ki ba lehbeiñ ya ki Khristan bat ki wede ki Ritpaid ka long ka ba peningo shibun Lane hatu ka dei penban ka jing ai jing bet ka ba penslur ya kini ki kenhon ban ne bat yai le ya ki ba kum kini ki kam ba persha e ki wei pat ki nong shong shnong tang namar ba ki de ki Khristan ni ki khot jing ki wei pat ki kenhon Ritpaid kala Pynrem Uba Roni Vilingdo ukentu ki bor ha ki jilla ba ka sarkar pedeng ba kin ai jing yada na kam ta ki jing embryo bar ki jing don jing em jing ki Ritpaid ha ka leng kari ha ka jo ka poru da ka ti ka ba khlan bat ka hok ba de ban te lakam ya ki ne ki ba pinja ki kam jing shun bat kam thombor
Express our sympathy. We share our sorrow with the brethren in Chhattisgarh, Jabalpur, who've had to face this atrocity, discrimination by the antisocial elements, who've even had the courage, temerity to vandalize a religious place. For the Christian community, that is a very, very sacred place. And this only shows the extent of the hate that is being spread in the country, and that's exactly what our leader Rahul Gandhi is trying to ensure, that this hate doesn't spread. Now its spread is come even to the extent of physically attacking the Christian minorities there, vandalizing the church there. Only shows to what extent this hatred has percolated in the country, where minorities who are very vulnerable, who have no means of protection, are being attacked, discriminated upon, physically attacked. So we express, with very deep concern, all these attacks on minorities, and we would like to request the Home Minister of the country, Shri Amit Shah ji, to take action against the culprits and punish them, and we would like to request even our Honorable Prime Minister to ensure that there is protection for the religious minorities, for the Dalits, for the tribals of this country. So we live in a secular country where everyone has the right enshrined in the Article 25 of the Constitution, religious freedom. And this only shows that that is being attacked. The Constitution is being assaulted. In fact, we are afraid that we will no longer get protection as per laws and acts enshrined in the Constitution. We have sent an email message to the Chief Minister of Chhattisgarh to ensure protection for the minorities there, and then ensure that those people responsible for this act of violence be taken to task and justice be delivered to the people affected. And of course, the Chief Minister of Assam has denied, which only shows that something is wrong. If the officers can do whatever they like without the knowledge of the executive, of the government, it only shows then that the Chief Minister of Assam is not responsible, not acting responsibly, which is not possible at all, that he escapes his knowledge. No officer would dare go against the government on such kind of activities. So this only indicates where the BJP is ruling, minorities, religious or minorities are not safe. Now, are we living in a secular country or are we living in a theocratic country? So all this indicates we are living in a theocratic country where it is no longer secular.